Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I am working with Dola hair again. They sent me this beautiful 5x5 body wave wig. Lace is giving, everything is giving. I'm definitely wearing this for the rest of the day. I'm not taking it off. She looks amazing. Okay, if you guys want to see me unbox this wig and install it, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so let's get right into this. So I'm working with Dola hair again. It's been so long since I worked with them, but I'm so excited to work with them again. This is what the box will look like. Super freaking cute. I'm gonna show you what's inside real quick. So first you get the wig sitting right on top. You had me at hello. I don't know what this is. It might be like a hand towel or something. I don't know, but it's a little cute gesture with the little plastic bag. I think that's super cute. I did ask them to send me this little elastic band, another elastic band like this, a baby hair brush, a razor to cut the lace, wig cap, and a little baggie here. And then a little brochure. This is the wig. Inside the wig, you get a little card that has all the information about the wig. This is a 24-inch, 180 density with a large cap. All right, and this is the wig here. Oh, it feels very, very full, very long. This is the ends here. It is a 5x5 closure wig with 4 clips and adjustable straps here. I usually just cut the adjustable straps off. Here is the lace. The lace looks very good. Very good. It's already pre-plucked. I'll probably pluck just a little bit more off camera, but off top, this hair feels so good. It is so thick. It's so thick. Oh my gosh. And so long. I'm very, very excited. So what I'm going to do off camera real quick is pluck the edges just a little bit more. But honestly, you could wear this straight out of the package. Like, look at it. It's very wearable straight out of the package. But I'm also going to put some foundation on the lace here, cut the lace, and then I will come back and we will style it together. But this hair feels so good. This hair feels so good, okay? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And look at all these inches, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do these things off camera and then I will be right back, okay? All right, you guys, I am all done styling this wig. This is what it's looking like. I just threw some wand curls in there, just like a little body wave situation. You know, it's giving a whole lot of hair right now. This is what the ends look like. I did not trim the ends at all, so it's giving straight out of the package. And I do have my little heart part going on here. I tried. I definitely tried. Give this a thumbs up just for the effort. Okay? Just for the effort. It's an A for effort. You hear me? This is a 5x5 closure wig, 24-inch body wave. And it is giving, it is absolutely giving. It looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful. The lace is giving, it is melted, baby girl. Yes, it absolutely is. We got a whole lot of body going on here, a whole lot of movement. You know, I love that. And I threw some layers just on this side because I knew I was gonna do a side part. So yes, this is beautiful. Let me stand up so you guys can see where it lands on me. And this is where it lands, just like right at my waistline. It looks very good. Make sure you guys check out Dola Hair for this wig and all the other gems that they have there. I love Dola Hair. My last review I did on for them, it was amazing. So I was very happy to work with them again. I'm sorry, I can't stop touching this hair. I can't stop touching it. So make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this hair company. Thank you again for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.